Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now we're going to do an experiment. We tried one first, it worked. And then now we're gonna go do more.
So what are we doing?
We're doing what is a base and what is a acid. So purple.
We got these these blue flowers. They're called Butterfly Pea Flowers.
There's a butterfly. In the last video, I said the butter can fly. That is why it's a butterfly. Yeah, that's pretty dumb. So this is all of them.
Okay, we need one more.
Yeah, for this, which would be a base.
We do have 6 of these cups, look.
Oh my god, I thought we only have 2 of the cups.
Now these are the coffee cups. We have 6.
I thought we had 2, but okay.
There we go.
Okay, now let's put a flashlight behind them, I guess. I don't know.
Right. So
So,
what colours? What colour's the normal one before we put anything?
that's blue. Wait, wrong way around. That's blue.
Yeah.
Other one, and that is purple.
That is definitely a purple. Let
That's
me get
kind
the
of
spoon
like-
out.
That's violet.
Yeah, isn't that cool? And we did it just by adding a little bit of vinegar, eh?
Yeah.
All right. So let's put
My eyes
that light there. What's the best way to light this?
behind.
Yeah. All right.
Now
Okay.
we're putting this
What's this?
lime.
All right. Do you want me to cut a little piece off?
This is the sweet, juicy lime.
To that.
Finally, look at that cutting. Look at that cutting.
All right. There you go.
Yay. Now I got our cut half circle thing. Now we need to stir.
Oh, look at the color change.
Oh, it's so cool, right? Nice. That's purple.
Is that a different purple to this? Which one's darker?
This one.
That's definitely a lighter purple, isn't it? Do you think?
Yeah.
Interesting. All right. What's next?
Must be because like
สีสวยมากเลยนะ
No?
แจ่มเลย
ใส่อันนี้แล้วก็ใส่ดอกไม้สีฟ้า แล้วก็ใส่น้ำแล้วก็มันเป็นแบบนี้เลย
Okay. Why don't you squeeze some? What's this? Grapefruit. Do you think grapefruit is gonna change it purple, or do you think it's not gonna do anything?
Maybe purple. How do I do it? Ow.
Do you want me to find a squeezy thing, or you can just mash it with your fingers?
Yeah. Whoops.
That's okay.
Some parts are going in.
You want the juice to go in. Is that changing color?
Yeah, purple and blue looks pretty good.
Why not be spoon?
Oh no. Oh! That's cool. Big reveal. Oh, that's so cool.
So, do you think that's the same purple as that?
Ow. That was boiling water. Forgot.
No, that's a lighter purple. It's more of a blue purple, isn't it?
Yeah. But I just put my hand in.
Okay. Alright, so which one's next? What have we got here?
some vinegar. Another type of vinegar. So let's see how this vinegar reacts. This vinegar? Should I put it in the spoon? Yeah.
Alright, then we'll put the light on it so we can watch.
Ready, set, big reveal. Wow! Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. They're all cool when you put the lights. Look. They all make their own pink.
So that's a deep purple, but that's also probably because this one's
Strong.
a coloured vinegar, so that might have an effect.
How about, what's the difference between this vinegar and the other vinegar?
This one is 5.4% and
That's only 5.
this one is 5%. Right, so that's why this one is a lighter purple
That's
than that one,
That's a barely even like darker.
which is
I want to
like...
lick the lime.
You can lick the lime. Even though that one, we put the same amounts in. Alright, so, what's next? What have we got here?
It's baking soda.
Alright, let's move that across.
What's this for? Mushing?
Yeah, it's mushing, but you don't need the mush anymore, so don't... Let me get you another spoon to get some baking soda out.
Okay guys, now we have, my dad's phone overheated, so now we're using a different phone.
Alright, so we can see that colour. It's a little bit lighter than the standard,
and
isn't
now
it? So let's
there's-
put a normal one. Yeah, that's a dark blue compared to a lighter greeny blue. Yeah, there we go. So you see a colour difference, just about. And there were bubbles in this, look.
Yeah.
There's bubbles in it, right? Right, so what's the last one we've got? Now you can't eat that. You can eat the lime, but you can't eat that. What's this?
That might be window spray. Ready for the shoot? Peep. Peep. That's 2 shots. Now,
Pink spoon.
that smells a bit good. Camera, smell that.
Is it bubbling like the other one? Is it changing color?
It's turning more light blue.
Give it another spray.
Sure. Oh, it's bubbly.
Oh, the same as the other one. And it's got a much lighter color, eh?
I know. Try and put one light there and one light there.
Do you know what we could do? You could try and give one of them a spoon of acid, see if it changes color again.
Oh yes. I'll put like from the bottle like beep. Okay.
Yeah, put it in that one, which I think is...
Why won't this open?
It just pops up. There you go. Oh wow, did you see that?
Yeah. This water is so cool. There's still bubbles. It's pink.
It's gone pink.
Yeah. Now let's try and add.
More base again?
No.
Oh, you wanna, okay, I see what you're gonna do.
Ready, set,
Yep.
go. Oh my god, whoops. Oh, it's reacting. It's reacting. Well, now our light might be broken.
That light's okay.
Yeah. Don't
I think
try
it can
this.
take a bit more vinegar.
You sure it won't like?
Just pour it slowly. It should be alright.
Oh my God! Ah! Should I just a lot?
Probably not that much.
I just love the fountain.
Oh, you see it change colour as it bubbles? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. At least that was a fun experiment. Acid! I'm dying acid!
Oh,
Oh my God!
We're not using a strong acid, it's okay.
I'm dying!
Alright, let's try add a bit more vinegar in, but slowly. Do you want to add it?
Slowly?
Yeah.
Slowly.
Enough.
Slowly. Yep, again.
What colour is it? Although, oh, has it changed?
I can't tell which one is it.
There, look. It's gone purple, which means we've got a vinegar-based solution now. So it's gone acid from all that alkali we put in.
Was the
So-
alkali pretty strong?
Well, we used baking soda, right? And you remember our other experiments with baking soda and vinegar to make carbon dioxide bubbles?
Yeah, but it's not a video. Yeah, that was fun, but if you don't want to do cleaning, don't do baking soda.
Well, do, but don't overpour the vinegar to prove that it will still detect an acid reaction afterwards.
Wait, let me try something.
Oh, you want to see if you can make it go blue again?
Wait, no.
Hey, actually, that is going to work, look.
Wait, we need another one of these. We need another one of these. Have another one of these?
Another one of what?
These cups.
No, but I've got another cup you can use.
Okay, get that other cup. Baba, get the other cup. Baba, get that other cup.
There is a reaction going on. It's trying to change colour, look. One side looks bluish and the other side looks a bit purplish.
Okay, can you just, like...
You want to pour it in?
I'm not the best at pouring.
There we go.
I'm not that good at
Alright, is that enough? That's enough, right?
I guess so. Because we're going to try and put everything.
Oh no, we're not, are we?
Yes, we are.
You only need one acid and one base, to be honest, Teddy Bear.
I just need more. Starting with slime. Ugh. Crush it. Get it out.
Okay, so now it's gone purple. Do you think you can make it go blue again, Bob?
Now.
Use the baking soda, actually.
We're
Oh,
putting.
look! It is working.
Oh, now we're going to put everything.
Don't need to put everything.
Yes, we do.
It's gone purple again. I think you need more.
Now can you squish this? Squish this, Baba. Squish it.
Alright, let me get a little bit.
You're eating that. Which one was it? This one, right?
Yep. Alright, that's definitely an acid right now.
Yep. more acid is coming. This one is so hard to open. For a reason.
Enough.
Blast! Again! This is a bad idea. Don't put baking soda. Warning, don't put baking soda. Bit more, bit more, bit more, bit more. It's kind of like a volcano. Look how thick that is. It's getting mixed. Look at those bubbles.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, look. And because we put that much baking soda in, the colors change back to blue.
More baking soda.
Alright, so... what do you think? Alright, are we done? Are you going to say goodbye? Ed, no, 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 no. Oh, that's why it changed back to blue. Look, there's still more baking soda waiting to react in the bottom of the glass. Alright, are we done now? Ed,
Last one.
Ed,
Last time.
it won't work. It's still acidic. Stop. Stop. Ed, I don't have that much baking soda.
Okay, can I put more vinegar?
Enough.
A little bit. Volcano reaction.
Alright, Ed, let's tidy up, mate. Say goodbye to your friends.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button like this. Yay. Yay. And hit the notification so you will never miss my latest videos. Bye.